Can I modify my Chapter 13 repayment plan? If you are wondering whether you can modify your Chapter 13 repayment plan, you are not alone. Many individuals and small business owners face changing financial situations that may requiring adjustments to their repayment plans. Fortunately, modifying a Chapter 13 repayment plan is indeed possible, but it involves specific steps and court approval. First, let's understand what a Chapter 13 plan is. This type of bankruptcy, often called a reorganization bankruptcy, allows individuals with a steady income to create a plan to repay all or part of their debts over a period of 3 to 5 years. The repayment plan outlines how you will pay your debts and must be filed with your bankruptcy petition or shortly after. For the plan to take effect, it needs to be approved by the court. Now, when it comes to modifying your plan, you can do so both before and after it has been confirmed by the court. If you want to make changes before the court confirms your plan, you will need to provide your creditors and the bankruptcy trustee with a copy of the modified plan. They will review it and decide whether to approve or reject it. On the other hand, if your plan has already been confirmed, modifying it becomes a bit more complex. You will need to file a motion with the court explaining why you need the modification. This means you will have to provide evidence to support your request. After you file the motion, the court will schedule a hearing to consider your case. In the context of small business operations, modifying a Chapter 13 plan can be especially helpful if your business experiences financial changes. For example, if your business income decreases, you may need to adjust your repayment amounts to ensure you can continue making payments without falling behind. Regardless of when you decide to modify your plan, court approval is essential. The court will evaluate whether the modification is fair to your creditors and if it complies with bankruptcy laws. In summary, modifying a Chapter 13 repayment plan is possible but requires careful planning and court approval. Understanding the process and seeking professional advice can help ensure that any modifications you make are legally sound and beneficial for your financial situation.